Running a manufacturing business in India is not easy. You'll have to manage the raw materials, the production delays, then what? We do have the stock errors, the GST compliance, and all such things, which is going to get chaotic. But what if I say all of these can be managed under a single platform? Yes, that's where Odoo 19 comes as the hero. So we can manage everything just by using Odoo 19. And do you know where the real problem comes? Even now, still all these manufacturing companies are relying on Excels for sheets, and then they are doing manual working like tracking the stock manually, updating the stock manually, and all such things. And this is actually going to cause a lot of loss for your manufacturing business in India. And this can also lead to poor planning, poor tracking, poor updating of the stock and all such things. And that's where I am here. That's why I am here with the solution, which is Odoo 19. So, what is this manufacturing module in Odoo? You all know Odoo is an ERP software which can actually help you all to ease your business, right? So, inside Odoo ERP, you have a whole platform or a whole bunch of modules to manage the manufacturing. Okay, not only the manufacturing, along with that you have the timesheet, the planning and all such stuffs. So this manufacturing module can actually help you to do everything from scratch, like from the raw materials to the delivery of the products, everything can be managed using the manufacturing module. So as you all know, Odoo is integrated and there are a lot of modules which are interconnected to each other. So this is going to help you all to ease your work and save a lot of your time. So now let's talk about the manufacturing workflow. As you all know, from the starting till the end, everything can be done using Odoo itself, like a single module, which is the manufacturing itself. So the very first step is to create a product. Okay, so you all need these raw materials to generate a product, whatever the product is. So you will have to create create the raw materials firstly. After that, you can track the stock, like you can get to know what the status of the stock is, like whether it is, enough quantity is there for you all to generate the, final product and all such things. Next step is to create the bill of material. Suppose if you're creating a wooden table, okay, you'll obviously need a wooden panel, 4 different legs for the table, you will need screws and bolts and all such things. So these things will be the raw materials and all together put up will be the final product. So these things will be updated over there, and for creating a single product you will have to, like in case of creating a single table, just imagine you will need a wooden panel, okay, on the top of the table, then you will need 4 different legs, then the screw count and all, I can't tell it accurately, but still suppose you need 10 screws, 10 bolts and all. So what you're going to do is you will create a bill of material where you will be specifying the count of the product that you're going to generate and the raw materials required to generate this much quantity of the final product. Okay, so after creating the BOM, there comes a production order. So then a manufacturing order will come for the product. So what you can do is you can easily use the bill of material. Okay, so using the bill of material will actually help you to save a lot of your time. Like you don't have to go and type the raw materials and all manually again and again every time an order comes. No need to do such things. Directly use the BOM. Okay, so this BOM will help a lot of your time. Specify all these things and from there starts the production of the final product. Okay, so like you'll be having a product, a button like produce all and all such things. So it will, do all the operations and it will make use of the work centers and all such thing, which we mention in the bill of material. So after creating all these things comes the final product. So this is the basic workflow of the manufacturing. And here in the manufacturing module of Odoo, it actually has some special advantages for Indian businesses. So the advantages are simple, which are the GST in manufacturing. It helps you all to manage the GST seamlessly. Similar to that, we have the vendor and supplier tracking and management. And then you get the costing and profiting. Okay, and you can also manage the multiple location warehouse. So warehouse which are situated in multi-location can be managed very easily using Odoo. So these are the basic advantages that Odoo provides to the Indian manufacturing businesses. So let's take a simple example. An Indian company not a simple company, but a manufacturing company. Okay, so they are working with Odoo, like they switched to Odoo, where they were doing all the work manually or in a less, easier way. So switching to Odoo made a lot of changes in their company. Like what they did was they are actually receiving orders right now. They generate the BOM. They are checking on the raw materials, the stock, that the on-hand quantity. Along with that, they can manage their warehouses. Like if it's a huge company with multiple warehouses, then it's very much easy for them to manage it like simultaneously. Along with that, they can manage the timesheets and all of the employees who are working over it, like how much time you worked over all such things, the BOM, the products, everything was done very easily. Like it can be really done in a very easy way as soon as you switch to Odoo. Because what happens is that all the manual works are actually getting switched with automations and pretty much easier methods. So what are the core features that you can find in the manufacturing module? You have the work centers, you have the operations, bill of materials, then you have the raw material management, which is obviously the bill of material itself. Then you can manage the manufacturing orders, quality control, and all such things. So these are the features. And all these features are actually very much required and inevitable part of the manufacturing process. So everything is right now, present in the Odoo 19. Not only in Odoo 19, every other version also you have the manufacturing. But the most updated version is the Odoo 19. The most common mistakes that most of the company uses or do while using Odoo is using Odoo like an Excel. Okay, so Odoo is powerful, but only if you use it in a proper way. So that's all for today's video, and that's how efficiently you can manage your manufacturing business using Odoo. So thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.